Very good morning, friends. So today we will discuss about isometric projection of three rectangular slabs of their dimensions or 100 mm, 60 mm, 20 mm, then 100 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm, and 100 mm, 20 mm, 20 mm are placed one above other in the descending order of their width b such that their longer axes are coplanar. Draw the isometric projection of the combination. Let's see how to construct these three rectangular slab. So let us construct the first rectangular slab of 100, 60 and 20 mm. I'll go to line. I'll go to line command. Say thickness is 0.50 mm. Now I'll construct the first rectangular slab of 100 mm. So line should be 100 mm and angle should be 30 degree. Then this side, pick this end point, and construct. The length is 60, angle is it's 150 degree, 150. Now construct. The length is 100, angle is 30 degree, and let's complete this rectangle. Now draw a vertical line of height 20 mm from all the corners. Then this 20 angle is 90 degree. From here, length is 20, angle is 90 degree. Then from here, length is 20, angle is 90 degree. Then from here, length is 20, angle is 90 degree. Let's connect all top surface corners. You will get a rectangular slab. This is rectangular slab. Now I will delete the invisible edges. Let's delete invisible edges. This is not visible, and this is not visible. So this is the first rectangular slab. Now similarly, let's construct another rectangular slab of dimensions 140 and 20 mm. So let's construct this. So I'll go to line command. Somewhere here I'll construct, say 100 mm. From here it is 100, length is 100, angle is 30 degree. Then from this side, pick this corner and make the length is 40 mm, angle is 150 degree. Then length is, say it's 100, angle is 30 degree, and let's connect to start point, initial point. Now the height is 20 mm. 20 mm, angle is 90 degree. From this corner, the length is 20 mm, angle is 90 degree. Then take this corner. From this corner, length is 20 mm, angle is 90 degree. Then from this corner, length is 20 mm, angle is 90 degree. Now let's connect all top surface corners like this. Now delete the hidden edges. So this is not visible. I am deleting this. Not visible. Delete this. Not visible. Let's delete this object. Let's delete this object. Now I'll place these two rectangular slab one above another in descending order with their width b. Now I'll select this. I'll go to move command. So let's select this. I'll select this. Let's select this. Now go to move command. Go to move. Switch off copy and select the midpoint of this line. Select this midpoint and place it here, exactly midpoint of this first solid, somewhere here. Now delete the invisible edges. So I am deleting invisible edges. Let's delete invisible edges. Go to trim, not visible. I am deleting this, not visible. This is not visible. This is not visible. I am deleting this. This is not visible. Let's delete this. Now let us construct another rectangular slab of 100, 20 and 20 mm. So I'll go to line command. Let's make 100. Length is 100. Angle is 30 degree. And similarly from this side, length is it's a 20 mm. It's a 20 mm. Angle is 150 degree. Then from this side, length is it's a 100. It's a 100. Angle is 30 degree. And let's connect to the start point. Let's connect to the start point. And the height is 20 mm. Angle is 90 degree. Then from here, it's a vertical line of line 20 mm. Angle is 90 degree. Then from here, length is 20 mm. Angle is 90 degree. Then from here, length is 20 mm. Angle is 90 degree. Let's connect all top surface corners. I'm connecting all corners at the top surface. You'll get this second rectangular slab. Let's delete the hidden edges. So I'll go to trim, and this is not visible. I am deleting this. Not visible. This is not visible. Let's trim these corners, these edges. Now place these solids one above another. Let's select this solid. Select this solid. Now go to move command. Let's move on to the move command. Let's switch off copy. Select the midpoint of this and place it here. Let's place exactly the midpoint of the second slab rectangular surface like this. Now I will remove the hidden edges. Let's trim the hidden edges. This is not visible. This is not visible. This is not visible, and this is not visible. So these are the hidden edges. So we need to delete or trim all hidden edges. Now the next step is convert into isometric scale. Let's select this and convert into isometric scale. So I'll select this, complete 3D drawing, a 3D object, and go to scale. So I'll move on to the scale factor. I'll go to scale, and let's switch off copy, and scale factor is 0.8164, and press enter from your keyboard. So you'll get isometric projection of the combined solids. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.